Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off allow data usage while data saver is on in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to make changes. Now after opening the app, scroll down and click on mobile data. Now here in mobile data, you will see a allow data usage while data saver is on button. So if you want to turn on allow data usage while data saver is on, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off allow data usage while data saver is on, then tap on this button again to turn it off. So with this button you can turn on or turn off allow data usage while data saver is on in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.